guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be talking about career in neuropsychology. As many of you were curious about how you can pursue career in neuropsychology, today I will be answering few of the questions related to neuropsychology. My name is Shravani and I have done my post graduation MSc in neuropsychology from National Forensic Sciences University, which is in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. And today I will be answering your questions related to neuropsychology. Okay, let's first understand what exactly neuropsychology is. So basically, neuropsychology is a subspecialty of psychology, just like any other subspecialties that we have, like clinical, counseling, industrial, or forensic. So, neuropsychology focuses on the evaluation, the connection between the brain, the human cognition, and the behavior. The primary duty of a neuropsychologist involves to understand the link between the brain disorder and the mental issues for an improved diagnosis and treatment. Neuropsychologist studies the brain injuries to better understand the effects or limits that it can have on an individual. Neuropsychologists often work with the psychiatrists, therapists, and other mental health professionals for the treatment and diagnosis of the mental health problems that may arise due to brain deformities. Neuropsychologists do deal with wide range of neurological and psychological issues, including autism spectrum disorder, brain tumors, epilepsy disorder, motor neuron diseases, Alzheimer's, dementia, and many more. So now let's understand what are the education qualifications required to be a neuropsychologist and to be a clinical neuropsychologist. So basically, a neuropsychologist have a qualification of a master's degree in neuropsychology, whereas a clinical neuropsychologist need to have an MPhil degree in psychology. To become a neuropsychologist, you can have a BA or BSc degree in psychology, which is not necessary, but it is suggested to have one. Then after that, you can pursue your master's degree in neuropsychology. There are many universities in India that provide specialization in neuropsychology, including NFSU, which is in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Christ, Bangalore, and IIT Ahmedabad also have a course on behavioral science. There might be some other universities as well, but I'm aware of these only. So once you have completed your master's in neuropsychology, you can call yourself a neuropsychologist, but you need to have a clear understanding of brain physiology and biology, neuropsychological disorders and their assessments, how to administer a neuropsychological test or battery. And further, if you want to become a clinical neuropsychologist and practice as a clinical neuropsychologist, you need to have an MPhil degree in neuropsychology. For that, you can, after masters, pursue your MPhil degree in clinical psychology, during which you need to choose your specialization as neuropsychology. As during MPhil training, you will choose your specialization as neuropsychology. You will have to do a research project and also work in a neuropsychological setting, where you will be trained on neuropsychological assessments and disorders in depth. And after your MPhil degree, once you get your RCR license, you can call yourself a clinical neuropsychologist and practice as a clinical neuropsychologist. So now let's talk about the entrance exam. Basically, both NFSU and Christ conduct their own entrance exam for MSc Neuropsychology. What topics you can prepare is for the entrance includes general psychology, brain biology, or biological psychology, as we say, or cognitive psychology, which includes memory, learning, intelligence topics, and research method is also important, one of the important topics for the entrance exam. Topics that might be taught during your master's in neuropsychology will include brain anatomy and physiology, then traumatic brain injury, developmental disorders, then neurological disorders, neuropsychological assessment and tests, how they are administered and what is their use, when they are supposed to be administered to a patient, what are the symptoms that you might look for any disorder. Then some research methods are also taught while your master's degree. You also need to work on a dissertation project including any of the topic of psychology during your master's degree. So that's it from my side. I hope you got an overview on career in neuropsychology. If you still have any queries, please comment down, or you can DM me on Instagram, SiteGyan. Also, do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Do suggest me some topics that you want me to make videos on this channel, and I will try to make them. Do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Take care.